And welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about what is product recall. So product recall, I think maybe most of you people heard it's happened sometimes. Mainly if you read news or go through news, you maybe heard that Volkswagen recall their this model, or some mobile company recall their this product. So what is mainly product recall? So product recall is removal of product from distribution, sale, or consumer use of a product that does not comply with legislation or poses an unacceptable risk to health and safety of consumer or user of the product. So basically, it's a removal of the product from, you can say, a supermarket, from different place, like from showrooms or different things. If it's if it's electronic item, then mainly the showroom people recall, the company will recall, and they have to remove it, and it will be no longer available to buy. So that is product recall. But there are many cases why they have to do product recall. So first is to minimize the risk of injury or death to consumer. For example, if you buy a car and the car has some technical problem right now, like you can say self-drive motor vehicle coming into the market. So if there's a technical problem, then it can lead you into that, and this can happen to many people. So for this concern, the motor, or you can say the car making company, they recall their product to change the technology in that particular product. Then to retrieve as many defective products from the marketplace as possible. So also to remove the defective product, and this usually comes in shoes. You can say shoes is very popular for this kind of recall. If there is any defect in the shoes, then the company gonna recall. So because maybe in future that defect can lead into some injury to the person, or it can lead to a bigger issue, and that can make a bigger impact on the company and also the consumer. And also to minimize the cost and convenience to consumer. So it is also because if there's a defect, or there is some problem in the product, definitely you will go back to the company. And sometimes people don't prefer to go to company, and then they definitely go to some local store people to get to fix that problem. So definitely that will cost to the consumer, and also it will cost inconvenience, and consumer never gonna comes again to buy the same product from that particular company. And also to minimize impact to brand and of corporate image. This is very important point why companies do recall. Sometimes they can, they trade off or they sacrifice other reason, but this is the reason that they never want to get happen, or they never want to take risk on this point. Because if impact any product have any problem, and that indirectly impacted the image, then it will become a bigger issue. For example, I will give an example how the image get impacted by any problem. For example, if you saw or heard a news that Facebook sold some data to to government or some identity, and that impacted a lot on the Facebook, and still people trust that. People still didn't trust on Facebook. Now they think that it's not a safe platform to use. So it will lead into a, you can say, long term, and they have to suffer from it. So basically, I hope you understand that product recall is removal of product so that it will no longer available to consumer to buy. In case consumer buy, then also company will pay them for that product, and they will take back that product. So that is product recall. I hope you understand, and thank you.